with my cupcake.
Where's
Let's meet my friends
where's your
Foxy and Freddy.
Freddy is out there. We're camping right now. Oh, wait, the flashlight's right here. Hold on. I can't get it. See out there? Over here.
So, why don't we have fun? I love horror movies, so this is a good horror.
That's why.
Because I am in a horror video game, you know?
Yeah, boy.
Friday, wake up!
Friday.
Nighttime.
Friday.
Swim in the pond with them.
Friday.
Swim in the pond with them.
Well,
He's probably dead.
The mermaid
Maybe my cupcake killed him.
Little kid one? And you can
where's your
swim
cupcake anyway?
Really?
I ate it.
With the feet on the bottom.
Well,
of
it
the
has
tail.
teeth. How are you going to eat it if it has teeth?
I cut the teeth off.
Oh. So that's going to be it for now. Bye.